It's here. We're gonna work on it, man. It's gonna be complete. From the looks of it, when it broke off, those came off. They stayed on there, so I need to take those off. That one's broke, so I don't know what to do with that one. Fluid knocked it off. There it is. Now let's learn to put it on. I'm gonna try to save y'all some time. Bolt here from underneath, bolt inside, 2 bolts here on each side. Then you gotta clip it together right here. 2 here, 1, and the inside, inside, outside, outside, inside. It's hard figuring out the hard way. What I was saying was, there's 2 bolts right here, 1 bolt right here. As you can tell, it's been broke. This was wrecked. He said it was because the tire blew out and he broke the bumper. It's all good. Looks like I'm gonna have to rivet these on also, like I did the front bumper. Damn. Ain't one thing, it's another. I keep doing other shit to get it fixed. This is gonna be a 2-day job. Come to find out that when I took these brackets off, I looked down at the bumper, there were no brackets on there neither. So what I have to do is I'm gonna have to rivet these on and put it back on there, then bolt it back on, and let's hope it works. We're running out of daylight now. So here she is, almost done, guys. I'm gonna do something with the hood pretty soon. New fog lights come in Wednesday. A little hype, but man, in a way I just want to get it over with. New wheels going on after the bumper gets on. I need to fix that. That's easy. That looks like that because that is messed up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about the bumper, please leave a comment below. I'll try to answer as best as I can. Check out the merch down below. If you could, guys, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a comment below.